Hey guys, it's Dr. George here, and I've just been sent a question through the Down and Dirty website, and it's about, well, is PrEP going to lead to the development of resistant strains of HIV that will mean that, that HIV becomes a super bug, a super mutant bug that can't be treated by the drugs used in PrEP? Now, look, I understand that this is a question that is concerning, but if we look at the science, there's a couple of things that are important to know. When we talk about resistance, we actually talk about HIV virus that is resistant to the drugs in Truvada, which is tenofovir and emcitriptan. For the resistance to occur, HIV has to be present. So here's the dealio. We're giving PrEP to people who are HIV negative. That means that the HIV is not actually present. So that way we can ensure that resistance can't occur in that because the virus isn't able to mutate because the virus isn't there. We have a number of ways that we help ensure that this is the case. And the first is that PrEP is for people who are HIV negative. We do a number of tests at the early beginning point of the PrEP treatment, and that is designed to help ensure that the person is HIV negative. So we'll do a HIV test and we'll get people to start taking the tablets as soon as they can. If there's been an episode of risk, i.e. condomless anal sex, around about the time that somebody wants to start taking PrEP, we might do the testing more frequently. So we might do a second HIV test at 2 weeks and a third HIV test at 4 weeks to feel 100% reassured that there is no HIV in the system. If the HIV is in the system, then we simply change from PrEP to HIV treatment. What the data shows is that when we do this, that the resistance actually goes away. The second most important thing that you can do when you're on PrEP to avoid resistance is to make sure you're taking the tablet every day as instructed. We know that there is a good level of protection when people take the tablet every day, but as that becomes more haphazard, if people are taking the tablets willy-nilly, then that increases the risk of one, somebody becoming HIV positive, and two, somebody developing resistance because there may not be enough drug around to actually fully treat the HIV. So the keys to avoiding resistance is one, we make sure that somebody's negative before they start. Two, we really make sure that people understand that when you're on PrEP, you have to take it as instructed. And as per our study here in Victoria, it's taking a single tablet every day. If you're finding that it's difficult to take the tablet every day, we can work with you to develop some strategies. However, if you're really struggling with that, PrEP may not be the best choice for you, and there may be other options that we can talk about. The final keystone is that as part of PrEP, we do regular HIV screening. So that's every 3 months you come in and you get a full sexual health screening. That way, if HIV is detected, then we can get you on proper HIV treatment, 3 potent drugs rather than the 2 drugs that are as part of Truvada. I hope that helps answer the question. And of course, if you have more questions, please feel free to send them in to Down and Dirty. I am only one of the many contributors towards this website. I hope this was helpful for you. Have a great day. See you guys.